How to verify your professional email with Builderall. In this video, I'm going to show you how simple it is if you already have a domain, if you already have a professional email. I'm going to show you how easy it is to verify it with Builderall so that way your email system works. So first thing you want to do is log into Builderall. You'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, depending on the platform you have or the plan you have, you may not see all of these items. Now, if you at least have the $20 plan or $30, you should see some of this. But if you have the unlimited, then you'll see everything. So before I show you how to verify, I want to show you where you can access your professional emails. So let's say you have your funnel, right? You went in and cheated drag and drop and you actually linked a domain to it, right? You have your own domain. Once you do that, you can go right into Cheetah Builder. Let's click on drag and drop mailingboss. Click on mailingboss. This is where you created your list. This is where you have set up your notifications and everything. So let's go into here and let's click on the menu. Scroll down to sender emails. Now, you only have to do this the first time you verify your email. So scroll down to sender emails, select sender emails, and you'll see I already have mine's connected, verified, yes. So what you'll need to do, because this is your first time, you'll need to select create new. Once you select create new, you can choose a sender name. So you'll put your name there and then you'll put your professional domain, right? You'll put your professional email address. So I'm going to use this one just for demonstration purposes. You'll see my name and then you'll see my email address. Click save changes and it'll say your form has been successfully saved. We sent a validation link to the sender's email. Please click on the link to validate your sender. Now, this is, with an example, really given the fact that you already have your email. If you don't have a professional email, then you'll need to watch what I'm going to do next. But for those who already have their professional email, this is all you need to do. You need to go in here and create your new verification so Builderall can have that. And then you'll get an email sent to that one and just confirm it. Once it's confirmed, this will change to verify. You'll see right now there's a little notice to resend, or I can delete it, but I'll leave that the way it is. And I actually don't have this email yet. I'm going to create it. So I'm going to show you where you can create your emails. Now, this is another powerful tool. So once again, you go into mailingboss, go up here to menu, click on sender emails, and then create new. If this is your first time, you'll need to press the button, put your name, and then the sender email. After that's done, you should get a notice to verify after you have received your verification email. So that's the quickest way to get verified. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't have a professional email, highly suggest you use this platform for everything that is worth. The reason why I love it is because you have not only domains, you can build unlimited domains, but you can actually attach email addresses to all of those domains. So right here, you see me scroll down to professional emails. If you want to know more about professional emails, you can of course tap the help button. There's a video right there that will break this down, but I'm going to go ahead and click enter. Once you enter professional emails, you should see a list of your emails. Now, if you have a bunch of domains, you'll see your domains. If this is your first time, you will see only the domain you just added. I actually have a few, so you'll see a few of my domains here. You'll see the contacts I made it, not contacts, but the emails I made with them. And you can also see a few more. So once you come in for the first time, if you already have a domain and you want to add a new email, which is very simple, just click on the URL domain that you want and press create an email. Once you press create an email, it'll bring this box up and choose the name that you want to go in front. So for instance, you may choose info at your domain, or you may choose contact, or you may choose sales, or you may just put your first name. You can create as many emails as you want for your domain. So just make one. And once you create that one, you're going to choose a password. Now your password strength has to at least be 70% or it won't work. So at least get it up there, make sure it's secure. Then you'll confirm it there. And once you're done, you're going to click on create. Once you press this button, it will create the email account for you. And then you'll see it pop up right here. Now, very simple to create your email account. Now, if you have to do it this way, once you create this email account, you'll then go back here. Let me go back. Let's see, you'll go back here, and then you can go into the drag and drop mailing boss, click on menu, and then go ahead, click on senders emails, create new, and then a new email address you just created, you can put that right there. So easy way for you to attach an email address if you already have a professional one. If you don't, buy a domain and create one. Once you create one, you can use this platform the same way. So once you have your email address, let me show you very quickly how you can access your emails with Builderall. So click here, and it should be very simple. I believe that all of the email accesses is just webmail dot and then whatever your URL is, right? So let me click on this one. Actually, I don't think that one's set up. So let me go. Oh, I did just create this one. Nice. So let me go here, create email. I'll do this one so you guys can see. Okay, create a password. Password strength. All right. Email already registered. Oh, I guess I already did that. So let me put info. Create. Did I do that a few times? Let me see. Okay. So I guess actually, look, I'm looking at it. I already did this. I forgot that I took this step. So it's very easy to create an email account. Once you do, if you want to access it, let me just see if I can do that up here. Webmail dot, go for URL. And then that's it. Very simple. So it's going to bring up your personal email system, and you could just log in with the email you created. And the password. You're going to choose your language. I'm going to select Find English. And that's it. So it'll log you in. Now, I think I have the wrong password. That's why I'm getting the authentication failure. But make sure you remember your password, because once you do, this is how you will log into your app. Now, once it opens up, it'll look just like your Gmail. Let's try to see if I can log into one of my emails. I have so many of them. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can log into one of them. Oops, I forgot the .com. All right, so I can't remember my passwords right now. You guys got to forgive me, but there's not much you need to see. Once I put my password in, it's going to take me to my email. It's going to look just like Gmail. If you want it in mobile version, you can press this button right here and it'll show up in mobile version for you, or you can flip back to desktop. So webmail dot and then your domain .com, and it's automatically linked. So very easy. Oh, here's one. You see that I have this one set up, and boom, it's already connected. So you'll see I have my inbox, you'll see the sent, you'll see the archives, you'll see all my messages. So it looks just like your normal email system, but it's built in Builderall. So now not only do you have the funnels, you have the emails, but you also have the professional email system. So hope this video was informative. I hope it showed you, one, how to verify your email if you already have one, but two, how to create an email. And then after you create the email, how to access the email that you created. So I hope this video was informative. If you guys have any more questions or if you have any troubles, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.